What's up, guys? We're going to talk about Oakley PRIZM Jade lenses. Stay tuned. Andrew here at Sportrx, and I'm joined by Tyler to talk about Oakley PRIZM Jade lenses. So before we get too far into the details here, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel if you like this type of content. Also, let us know what you think about this lens, if you have any experience with it, or if you have any questions about it. Drop those in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's get into this. I think first off, we need to just talk about what PRIZM is.
What is it?
In general, it's Oakley's contrast enhancing lens technology. And it works by manipulating the light spectrum and just really boosting contrast and making everything in your environment easier to see. All the details are easier to pick up on. So this is part of PRIZM Everyday, but there's also two other categories there. There's Sport and there's Snow. So as far as the Everyday category goes, these are third down on the list as far as the darkness goes. So these are about a 13% VLT. So below PRIZM Black, below PRIZM Sapphire, you have PRIZM Jade.
Okay, so Jade means green. You're going to get a green looking lens from the outside. What you're looking through is more of a neutral gray base, which some people like. I think it has a better application for just your everyday pair. You don't want something that's just really crazy, high contrast. You want something that helps to boost and separate colors like you know PRIZM is going to deliver. But you don't want something that's going to alter how colors look as much as some of those other lenses do. And that's what you get with the Jade.
Yep, and you also want that level of protection in a sunglass. You're going to be out in the sun. Obviously, you're wearing sunglasses for protection, also to look super cool. But, you know, you want to make sure your eyes are protected there.
You look super cool in these, Andrew.
Thank you.
So this is available in non-polarized and polarized. Also, available in prescription. So don't worry about that. We'll get you covered on that. A really good all-around lens, in my opinion. If you are thinking, what should I get, the Sapphire or the Jade? My question for you is, what do you like better, blue or green? There's your answer.
You can tell us what your favorite is in the comments below.
Right down below. Hopefully this information was useful to you or interesting in some way. If so, give us a thumbs up. Call us. We'd love to talk to you, hear your voice, and comment down below because we'll get back to it. And thank you for watching.